Gavin? Oh my goodness! We have the flavor today. It's a modern pizza set, and I got open it. Can you please, Daddy? Please open it.
Sure. What is it?
It's a pizza that in a play set. That's super awesome.
Wow! It's Skip and Hop pizza set.
Wow. It's Skip Hop Pizza Head. It kind of looks like a pizza circle.
Look at that. It's a piece of pizza set.
A pizza set.
Wow, it looks delicious.
And I want to open it. Okay, please.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yum. What's inside? In there. A pizza box. This is a pizza. Yum. See? I don't see it now. Hey! Pizza, come right up. That one. Nope, that didn't work. Try this. I need help, Daddy. Ready to go.
Pizza maker ready to go.
It's going there. Here.
Wow, what is this?
That's a leaf and a tomato and mushroom.
Putting some spinach on your pizza.
I did it. Put it in.
Wow, you put a mushroom on your pizza. What is that?
I put a pizza too.
What's on your pizza?
Oh, radish and tomato.
Lettuce, tomato. Here we go.
Cool.
Are you finished? Are you continue putting the pizza together?
Oh, sorry. Yes, I put tomato in the box. Whoa, that's cool. Ew! A mushroom? Another mushroom?
Another mushroom?
Let's put in tomato. Now, the pizza's all done. And now, let's put in the box.
Let's put it in the box.
Oops. Can't help but put in the pizza.
Wow, look at that. You put the pizza in the box. It's ready to go.
And close it. Oh. Pizza.
Yum, yum, it's ready to go. Pizza's ready. Here you go.
Thank you. Yum.
Wow, that pizza looks awesome. Let's open it up and shake some more cheese on it.
Goodbye, and we're today now of the delicious pizza. Goodbye.